Kitten attacks Catnap. That'll be your video, right? Who will win in a fight between Catnap and Kitten? Kitten has claws too, and she's going after Catnap.
They're hissing.
They're hissing?
Yeah. Purring.
Gentle, Maya. Don't do that.
I hear someone purring.
Maya, gentle. Let her decide if she wants to play. Okay.
Like when her mouth is open.
Just be real gentle.
Then I'm gonna break. I see you. I see you. Ready for next round.
Round 2. Ding.
Ding, ding, ding. Round 2. Come on. I think she's out of play mode.
She's in sleep mode.
Yes. Come
Maybe
on.
they can just be friends and that'll be the end of the match. They can cuddle up and take a nap.
She's about to take a cat nap now.
Psych.
Psych. He's so cute. I love him.
Kitty in a cage.
Shoving my claws.
Catnap, what did you think of the fight, your first round with Kitten?
Oh, look at Kitten.
Bad?
Oh, look at Olive. Olive's just chilling. Even you be Catnap now. Okay, Catnap. You guys gotta fight. Fight to the death.
She sticks her paw through this side. Look at her tail coming out.
Ooh, she's trying to bite it.
Yeah. She's feisty.
Mama, I could make my summer camp like a whole new thing, and I would get them more customers if I told them to add dessert.
Right? Because you know what kids want in camp, right?
Yeah.
Look at her go. This is vicious mode.
A day where we could all just bake sweets. Imagine Catnap's just dancing. Imagine we just made a 3D photo. But top to the butt.
Maya.
Maya's purring.
Gentle Eva. Let her have it for a little bit too.
I know, but then that's not the joy.
Look at the paws. Look at the little baby paws. That's an angry baby face.
Look at angry baby.
This is angry baby mode.
Angry baby. Is this your box? Is this your box?
Is this your kitten
Speed
box?
up mode. Speed up mode. I like when the mouth is open.
I like
tail.
Kitten tail.
Kitten tail. Kitten tail.
Does she even know it's coming out the side?
Do you ever know? Hey,
Probably
look.
not.
Look. Wanted to know.
Whose tail is that?
Whose tail
I
is
bet she'd
this?
chase it. Maybe she finds it. No, she's like, wait, that's mine.
Oh my God. Maya.
Maya. Oh, no.
This is gonna be a video just
no.
for us.
Gentle, just do not hit her with that. They can play gently. Maya, quit.
Oh, she reaches out to get the moon necklace. Ooh, she bites. She's in bite mode.
She wants him, but not bad enough to get out of the box. Look at Olive.
Olive's just chilling, pilling. Olive has a super weird condition where her fangs just stick out of her mouth like a
Like
vampire.
Loki. Like Loki's did.
I think she has a snaggletooth.
Remember when Loki's
again?
Remember when
what?
Loki's snaggletooth fell out?
Oh my God! Is something wrong with Maya? Her poop is green again. It's green again.
Are you sure that's like